I'd like you to get started by looking at the structure and the summary of the yogurt dataset on your own computer. You may want to pause the video now to give yourself some time to load in the dataset and to download it first from the instructor notes. This yogurt dataset contains over 2,000 observations for 9 different variables. The observations are for households that buy Dannon yogurt over time. Now, one thing you might notice is that most of the variables in here are integers, but I want to convert one of the variables to a factor, and that's the ID variable. We'll see how this comes in handy later in the course, but just make sure that it says factor right here on your dataset as well. If ID doesn't say factor for the type of variable, make sure you run this command in order to change ID to a factor variable. Once you've done all this, I want you to create a histogram of the yogurt prices. Copy and paste your R code into the R chunk on the quiz screen that will appear here, and then write a few sentences about what you notice. So that way we can be consistent as we work through the dataset together, I want you to be sure to read in the dataset into the variable called yo. You can of course use other variable names, but our autograder will only accept answers for our programming assignments that have this data frame labeled as yo.